In the last episode of Sailing Doodles, we flew down to St. Vincent and the Grenadines and gave you a tour of the Bali 40 we'd be sailing there for the week. In this video, we're going to actually get the boat off the dock and set sail under stormy conditions for the Grenadines. We want to give a special thanks to Sailogy.com for making this trip down to St. Vincent and the Grenadines possible. Sailogy.com is a charter company with bases all over the world and an easy-to-navigate website that'll help you select the best destination and boat to suit your needs. So if you need a little paradise in your life, head over to Sailogy.com and use code SD200 at checkout for $200 off your next booking. Everybody have a good night on the boat?
Oh yeah.
Great night.
Yep.
All right, I slept well too, so now we're gonna get our chart briefing so we can get out of here.
Let's go.
Let's do this.
I'm ready.
So Jimmy, you are gonna be giving us our briefing today. Basically, what are you gonna go over?
We'll be talking about the Grenadines Islands, St. Vincent and the Grenadines. So,
okay, just kind of give us a layout.
Yeah, we'll be discussing how safe to do the trip, you know.
Okay.
Safety.
Jimmy gave us an in-depth briefing, but before we head out, let me introduce you to some of the patrons that joined us for this sail.
Hi, I'm Kurt. I'm Brian. We're from Lakeland, Florida, and we came on this cruise because I'm really close to retirement. I'm looking for my next version of life, and this seems to be a really good direction.
My dad said that he was gonna go on a charter and decide if it was something that he wanted to do, and he asked if I wanted to come along, and I definitely hopped on the opportunity. I was super excited about it, and yeah, we're ready to get going. I'm ready to see what it's all about.
My name is Russell. I am from Houston, Texas. Been interested in sailing and been following your channel for a long time. Thought it would be fun to just come to the Grenadines and sail with you, get more experience and enjoy sailing.
Hi, I'm Kathy Burge.
I'm John Burge from Columbus, Ohio, little town Rushville, Ohio, it's just east of Columbus. Been following Sailing Doodles, and when it talked about the flotilla, we had just gotten finished with a rental or a charter with her family, and loved it a lot. And I'm like, chance for us to go somewhere a little bit different. I was just waiting for you guys to open it up, and I got a spot. So
I'm not the biggest sailing enthusiast, but I want to, you know, when he retires, it's what he wants to do, so I kind of have to learn how to like it. So I thought it'd be a good chance for me to come down, and I knew I'd have a better time when I got here than because I was resistant at first, but it's all good.
All right, we are getting ready to get off the dock. The engines have started warming up, the others boat too. Kind of the way they do it here is it's a really narrow channel out of here, and plus getting out for liability reasons. That seems to be pretty common with a lot of charter bases is their crew will get us out and they'll dinghy back. So they're gonna take that boat out first, I think, and then us. I'll go try to get some drone shots as we're going. And we're getting out of here right now. There's a little bit of rain coming. I'm gonna try to pop up the drone real quick before it comes in.
You say I'm wrong, but I think I need it. You think that reason can make me stay? Just wanna feel.
The rain came in a little sooner than expected, and it was all I could do to get the drone home in time.
I know this feeling won't go away. This all feels like electric power. All I want is to turn it on. Still got the sun, but still got the summer.
All right, Lawrence, so you got a 2-speed winch right there. I'm gonna turn into the wind. That's pretty stinging rain. 32 maybe, I saw 33.
We ran inside because of the rain and it's pelting us in our eyeballs. So, what are those?
These are rain glasses, exclusive only at sailingnoodles.com.
For real, it really hurts. Like, I feel bad for Bobby because like there's no Dodger out there right now, so he's just kind of having to bear through it. And it's pretty crazy. I guess the wind's like 30 knots right now. Welcome back.
Well, this is, I know I look fat. Just leave a comment, how fat do I look? That's great. But this is not a sunburn, this is a pelting burn from the 30 knot, 35 knot winds. But cheers.
You still look hot, baby.
Bring your pain away.
Yeah, okay. Eventually the wind and rain decided to cooperate and we were able to get in some real sailing. It was about a 12-mile run from St. Vincent down to Moustique Island. When we reached the island, we picked up a couple moorings. With the other boat moored safely next to us, it was time to get in the water. All right, we already had the obligatory jump in the water as soon as we get here. The water temperature is absolutely perfect. What do you think, guys?
Awesome.
Yeah,
Woo.
yeah. It's pretty amazing, so.
Totally great.
How you doing, Laura? What do you like?
It's a beautiful view.
So this is Moustique Island. It's a private island, but you can go to a couple, like the restaurants over here. The reason it's private, and they don't actually allow cameras on there from what I've heard, because this is like where like the royal family comes to party and stuff. Like apparently they were here like a couple days ago. I don't know, Prince William or Prince Harry, one or the other one, I don't know. So we're gonna kind of hang out here more overnight. The moorings are kind of expensive from what I've heard here,
Look
but
behind you.
Nobody's come. What? Oh,
The
wow.
rain's coming.
Yeah, it's all right.
Here it comes.
There you go. So spend the night here and then we'll head south again. We're gonna go see Basil's Bar. We've heard good things about the restaurant, so we're gonna enjoy our time here and relax, and it's beer 30. Woo!
Wash the salt off.
Yep, so I was about to actually use the little outdoor water hose, but now I'll just stand in the shower in the water instead. All right, so the island is currently on lockdown and a no-fly zone. We've heard it's because Prince William and Kate, I don't know, is it Harry and Kate? I don't know. One of the princes and one of the Kates, or somebody's here from England. No tourists on the island, but we can go to the little bar there and have dinner and all that, so that's what we're gonna do. The guy's just picking up the mooring. It's a bit expensive, it's like 80 bucks, but it's for 3 days. We're not gonna be here 3 days, but really it was another 3-hour sail south and beating into the wind. We didn't really want to do it, so stop here, but you know, split among like, you know, 7 people, it's not that bad. So anyway, so we'll go ashore here in a little bit and have happy hour and dinner, and then we will head out. And it's a no-fly zone because apparently there's an airport very close by, so you can't fly the drone, so. Once we all dried off, it was time to head ashore. I had my GoPro and they said I couldn't go ashore with my GoPro. I mean, hello. This has pretty much just as good a camera as my GoPro, but I can bring this in. What's that? Anyway, so had the dinghy there and back and a 4 horsepower motor. I get why they do 4 horsepower and 5 horsepower motors on you know, charter boats, because they don't want people getting in trouble with them. But if you buy a sailboat and you're gonna go cruising, My minimum for a dinghy is 15 horsepower, because it's your car, man. Get a good motor. Don't skimp and do a 3 or 4 horsepower. Get something that'll get you on plane and move people around.
That evening, Prince William, Kate, and the kids actually had dinner right next to us. And then back on the boat.
To the best night of the trip so far.
So far.
Hey.
Cheers. It's the first night.
Coconut rum. Yeah.
They're having fun. I've got to edit, so.
There's the only way to end the evening.
Bobby, you're full of lies. You're about to take me downstairs.
Thank you for watching another Sailing Doodles video. It was a lot of fun being able to sail with our patrons, and we will do another one of these patron sales very soon. So keep watching the channel for updates on when that's going to happen. And to book your own charter, go to Sailogy.com and use SD200 at checkout to receive $200 off your booking.